Hey, the YouTube fans, Mike Palumbo. I just went for a little swim, and I want to do a spot on what I believe following too close, VTL 1129 in New York State, can never really be enforced, or they can give you the ticket, but it really can never be convicted of it. And part of this is law, legal reasons why. Part of it is my opinion. It all depends on how you get pulled over. And I'll explain to you what's my opinion versus what is supported by law. So 1129, following too close is a 4-point violation. Merely the statute says something like you must follow at a safe distance. So the question becomes, what is a safe distance? So the opinion part of this is, in my opinion, unless you hit someone in the rear, they can't say you were following an unsafe distance. Even if a police officer observed you following someone and it's the police officer's opinion that you were too close, there's no real objective proof or evidence that you were following too close unless you struck the vehicle in front of you. So, which raises the second point, is that if you strike the vehicle in front of you, you're in an accident, and the vast majority of the times I get called on following too close, VTL 1129, is subsequent to an accident. And the first thing I say was, did the cops see the accident? And invariably, they didn't see the accident. So, under the law, unless a police officer observes the infraction, he can't write a ticket. So, my opinion is that they can never prove a case of following too close beyond a reasonable doubt if the cop did observe it. And if you were clearly following too close, unless the cop observed it, which is very rare, unless he observed the accident, even though they can technically prove, you were following too close, the cop is not allowed to write the ticket, so it has to be dismissed based on legal grounds. So that's why I believe following too close can never be enforced. Most times you get the ticket, you get the ticket, you were in an accident, call me, because you don't want to plead guilty. You're already civilly liable if you hit someone in the rear. You don't also want to be have a conviction based on the same incident. It causes amplifying problems with your insurance rates, could even cause them to drop your insurance. So absolutely 100% of the time, call me. I've never had a case where the cop did not see the accident, no matter what the cop charged, whether it was following too close or something else, and they were convicted. I always either knock it down to a non-moving violation, I use the law as leverage, or if they want to be real stubborn about it, I'll make the motion to dismiss. And it's always been granted anytime I've made the motion. Again, it's Mike Palumbo, the traffic lawyer. You get any traffic ticket in New York State for anything at any time, just give us a call. We'll be back with some more content soon.